Okay, guys, I am here to share this video with you, and I will make a comment, of course, about it. But just watch the video first. And this video is from one of the DUS member. Of course, you may know the person, but I'm not going to mention his name. Not that I'm hiding his name, but I know why I don't want to mention his name on this platform. But watch this video, and I will make a comment.
Qué loco. ¡Ay! Qué loco.
Okay, in case you are kind of wondering who is this person and what is going on here, I'm going to play another video so that you may understand who the person is and what the video is all about. Okay?
See, this one come. You know say all these things will not burn. Down they go. See this one. After that, I will hammer this one again. That one. Like gas, ba?
Okay, don't mind me that I'm laughing. This video you just watched now, okay? This video you just watched now is from DOS member, like I said. I don't want to mention his name. Maybe you can see the name, you can read the name yourself. On this, you can read the name yourself. I don't want, because of the one of the reason, I know why I don't want to mention his name. But you can see his name, his S handle here. Okay? You can see that right now. He made this video of a Nigerian army, how they invade a location which he said that is gentle Yahoo hideout. That's what he used. The name the guy said how he addressed the name. I don't know if that is true or not. And you may hear the soldier saying, "Gentle, where are you?" and something like that. Let me play the video again so that it will start from the beginning. Just a moment. Just listen.
This gentle really. I hear gentle they call the hide. See now. This is gentle house. This now here they call the con hide. Good worship. Where is this house? Don't search am, nothing inside. Don't search am. Don't search if nothing inside. You don't enter your territory. This is Gentle village.
Okay, so I'm not gonna play the video again. Okay, now I want you to read this comment that this guy said. He said, "Gentle, I warned you, but you did not listen now. You did not listen now. Look at how the soldier at HQ, that's Nigerian Army, disgrace you. I know Oyibo language. He said, disgrace you. Instead of you are powerless God, he said, disgrace you, powerless God. Keep running till we capture you. Not till soldier capture, but till we capture you." When we talk about Igbo problem, our problem, internal problem that we have, some people will say, "Oh, no, they are from Fulani. They are from Fulani." Even those, the original Fulani, somebody who his mother and father is Fulani, have not, betrayed Igbo people to this extent. Somebody who is half Igbo and half Fulani, if the person can do this kind of thing, then one may say, okay, Fulani, the rest Fulanis will do worse than that. But on our own case, our people are busy misbehaving. I'm not saying that everybody should fight for freedom or work towards Igbo people's progress, or to liberate our people from the marginalization or whatever. I'm not saying it's a must, but at least you should mind your business. I don't know his problem, but many people have sold their hand in different crime in the name of justifying one thing to another. And what DOS and their people who believe they are fighting for Biafra, of course, I don't think so. Personally, when they see somebody like this, they are clapping for the person, jubilating and comrade. As you are doing that, you don't think that this guy, even if Mazan can come out tomorrow, you think that if Mazan can come out tomorrow, all of a sudden this guy will not turn to IPOB without attacking anybody. No, he will still report and sing praises of government buying our people because he want to prove a point. Let me read his post again so that ndị Uche ga-aghọta ife onye ya kwuru here. Gentle, I warned you, but you did not listen. Now, look at how the soldiers disgrace your powerless God. Keep running till we capture you. We capture you. And if you check his another post, you will find out that he's requesting. Look at this post here. He made this post against his fellow brother Chiamaka Jena. He said, sacked by chief of autopilot, chief of autopilot arm staff. I don't know what it meant by that. It's of a chief of arm staff. I don't know, or staff. Okay. Chiamaka Jere, I gave you a few weeks to confess you are of how many now but this guy of how many people some by your boss died or now. I'm not gonna read other things he said there because this guy is actually I mean he's everywhere. He's everywhere. And there's a comment that I want to bring to you, one of his posts here, which I want to bring to you. He said, I think, okay. He said, where is the comment? You should drop a video. Okay, just a moment, because I want to get that video where he says something about looking for where people live and all that. Now, whether he's using it to do camouflage or if he really means it, I don't know. But read this post. He says, "My people in Italy, it is time you take up Chiamaka Jere's case. Take it personal and make sure he enter jail over there. We must continue to fight against sponsors of insecurity in Igbo land. Our people in Italy, is your turn to show how powerful you all are." So, who is his people? Ndi Igbo. Another Igbo set of another set of Igbo people. My question is, you are an Igbo person, yes, and you drive joy seeing Igbo people going to jail because in the whole Africa, I'm not talking about Nigeria, in the whole African continent, Igbo people are have more number of people in prison all over the world more than any other tribe in Africa. That's number one. It is this one. Go and check any country. You must have more Igbo people in prison than any other nation, any other tribes. In Nigerian Igbos are topping the list. Do you understand? It's not as if our people are that we love to go jail, but the problem is that the condition of the condition of where we come from have squeezed us, have squeezed our people to have no choice than to venture into business, into stuff that is going to land our people in jail. And our brother is here celebrating and pushing on how to send other people to jail. The question is, what did Chiamaka Jere do? Like, let's assume that you have problem with this PM Samanekpa, like they all claim they do. What is his? I'm not a fan of Chiamaka Jere. I don't have any business with him. He's not my enemy. But what I'm saying, even him, he can't get today. I don't pray that somebody should send him to jail because he's an Igbo person. But seeing an Igbo person calling for death and killing, jail, why all this nonsense? Why? Why? That's my concern. And when you go down to his platform here, he's marking images fake. He's marking everybody, attacking chief of staff or Obese. And the worst part of it all is this post, this what you are seeing here. Most of you have seen it because I have shared this video here where Nigerian Air Force was bombarding Igbo Biafran land. And is this guy, now, this is somebody who is fighting crime or killing in our land. Look at this post. This is what you will get if you allow criminals to stay in your home, in your hometown, to fight the government. So here he's justifying the killings of, innocent, helpless Igbo people, Biafran people. And he will now turn around and start tagging video to Finland that Samonekpa is committing and killing our people. Do you see the hypocrite? See, I don't want to go beyond my limit. I just want you to understand it because all those things you are seeing now have negative sign on our people. You cannot eat your cake and have it. If you are fighting indoor fight, no limit. Know what you. Every nation have, back and forward. They have it. It's not as if it's only restricted to Igbo people. But seeing somebody who speaks Igbo language, I'm tired of hearing, it's a Fulani blood, it's a Fulani blood. What can it mean? What Fulani blood? Even if a Fulani blood, the real Fulanis who don't speak Igbo at all, can they do this to our people? Why must they use somebody who acts as if he's one of us to deal with our people? You don't fight your brother to the extent of making sure that you cover that person in the grave. It simply means you're a murderer naturally. Anyway, I want to it's unfair, and I'm not happy to see this kind of thing going on in our land. There's another person he posted here. Look at this is 247. Look at what he said here. This criminal right here is part of those Samonekpa is using for his criminal activities. Please let me know where he lives so we can send letters to his host country. We are going to counter them, madam. And nobody is calling for his head in the country where he lives. So, you see, what did he do? That he's a friend of your enemy does not mean that you should kill him the way you want to kill your enemy. And his Biafran premise is supposed to be your enemy. That's why it's no. But if you choose to mark him as your enemy, why must you drag every other person to that kind of thing? It's uncalled for. Only in Igbo land you see this kind of. Yes, like I said, you have back and forward, you have Ndikwa and Dekwa everywhere, but not to this extent. Now, wow.